woke up to this big mess, so I decided to do a quick tidy so I could enjoy my coffee. Come join me. And please, if this video helps you in any way, please remember to like it, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel to get updates when I upload again.
We are patiently waiting for our food, Herman.
I decided while the coffee was percolating to get these dishes done, but first I had to feed the cats. And I've been rewarded with fruit flies for not keeping up with my dishes. It's the first day of summer break tomorrow for the students, and today my son is off to his dad's to go to a wedding. I didn't want my house to be a big huge mess to start off the summer holidays, so I have a little cleaning to do before I can get to any plans or projects that I have. I want to work on the garden. I still haven't done that. I know, I kept saying I would work on it and I haven't. And I'm trying to hopefully work on the basement landing. I have tiles that have been in a box, just adhesive ones, but they've been in a box for so long. I'm hoping they're still good and they still stick. But that's a little project that I want to do just to clean up the landing and make it look nice. I even bought a baseboard because there's no baseboard on the landing. And there's a gap, so like toys, little cat toys and stuff get lost in there. So that's not for today, but I want to get that flooring in and get that baseboard in. I have an air compressor to nail it all in. I just got to get all that compiled and ready to go. Do you have any DIY home improvement projects planned for the summer? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. So, back to these dishes. I don't normally like to wake up and do the dishes right away, but I need some discipline in my life, because if I had more discipline, these dishes wouldn't have piled up in the first place. Also, the recycling, that's piled up again because I haven't taken the full container out to the big bin to put it outside so I can use the inside bin again. I'm not used to this big bin that's outside. Usually I can just take the bags out and put a new bag in. In this situation, you have to go out there, go in the garage, get into the big bin, and dump it all out. And yeah, that's just too much for my lazy brain. Oh my gosh. I really think procrastination should have been my middle name. It would really suit me. So, on another topic, I've been keeping myself busy lately trying to find a job. That's why I haven't been making very many videos. I'm hoping that I can find, ideally, a cleaning job for the summer. But that's very hard because I need the people to pick me up. And that's not something you come by often. I have come by it before, but it's not very common. Normally they want you to drive, I guess because you're going to the locations maybe alone, or I don't know. I'm kind of like dreading having the whole summer go by and I'm just sitting around here. I want something to do, something to keep me busy. Be nice to be able to make some money. I'm kind of tired of not being able to find, at least a part-time job. My school job is less than part-time. It would be nice if I could find a regular job that was part-time, and then I wouldn't have to work at the school. Or I could have a few days at the school because I know they need people. So I don't mind it, but it's just the money thing. Everybody unfortunately needs money. I've never been a money-oriented person, so that's another thing. I don't have the drive to really get out there and do a full-time job, especially if I have to walk to it in the winter and stuff. That would be crazy. But I do need to eat and pay for my bills and pay for my rent.
Herman, hurry those dishes up. The castle floor is not going to sweep itself, So
that's why I'm hoping I can find something part-time for now. It's just, wow, it's crazy how limiting it is to find anything when you don't have a car. And I know people have work online. I'm not getting lucky with that. I would love to find a remote job. I'm really good with computers and stuff, so I could do a remote job online very well. But I can't seem to find anything in Canada. Here it's a lot of just surveys and stuff you get 5 cents for after working on it for 30 minutes. That's totally not ideal for anyone. So yesterday we set up the volunteer job that my son needs to get community hours so he can graduate. Thankfully, my friend knows the manager of a store, and we were able to set that up pretty easily. And they're working with us because my son is not home all summer. He's at his dad's, and then he's here, and then there's never any schedule. We're just very casual with it. So when he's back in town, he will text that manager and arrange his days as the summer goes. He has to get 40 hours. So hopefully he can do that pretty quickly and enjoys the job and get some experience that he didn't have before. I hope this video is helping to motivate you or even just to keep you company. We're all about progress over perfection over here, so even if you haven't gotten things done that you had planned to get done, you can always get to them later. The important part is that you do them eventually. You don't want to let it pile up too much that you overwhelm yourself, but I have trust in you that you'll get to it eventually in a timely manner.
Misty. Misty. You don't jump up when the table's cleaned up for you, and then now you want to jump up somewhere. Okay.
Now she has to have her coffee. This is gonna take all day. I command thee to let me outside. I do not blame Lucky for wanting to escape this madness. The woman seems surprised by all the crap left on the table, when she's the one who put it there! Ha ha! Watching all this nonsense has made me hungry. Time to go choke down my dry disappointment.
Okay, so I am back from my procrastination station. I had my coffee, got some makeup on, got changed, and we are off to the races again. Time to get this recycling outside so we can just fill it all up all over again. I probably have enough to fill it up right to the top, but hopefully not. Before my son left, he decided to put some of the recycling away in the kitchen while he was waiting for his food to cook. That was nice of him. But I also gained some bags back there because I had a Walmart grocery delivery. It's just never ending, isn't it? My son also noticed that the recycling bin was full, so he took it out and dumped it for me so we could have a fresh start, and this is already getting full. Okay, that's everything that I wanted to get done today. I hope this video helped motivate you or kept you company. And if you liked it, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and you'll get updates. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Can I get any privacy around here? Bath time for everyone. Bye-bye, friends.